They'll say, be careful. It's a wild world out there. But look in the mirror and ask yourself, what's more frightening? The wild unknown, or a life of quiet desperation? The supercharged Kawasaki Ninja H2 R. Built beyond belief.
Thanks to Kawasaki's decision to supercharge a 1000cc motor and stick it in a sporty chassis, we have now got a machine that just breaks every rule in the book. The work on this bike has been absolutely incredible. Painstaking attention to detail. There's so many little intricate bits on it that it's just a work of art. Kawasaki engineers say that the function comes first, then it's form, so that's why it looks the way it does. Everything on that bike is there for a purpose, and that purpose is to generate over 325 brake horsepower and make you go down that straight at MotoGP speeds. So you get the speeds of MotoGP, and then you come into the pit lane,